Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Riskawati Pomolango with name 4424200003 from class Chemistry-A 2020. Today, I will present a video about inorganic chemistry practicum in detail synthesis of manganese 6 and manganese 3 compound. Objective synthesizing manganese 6 and manganese 3 compound. Literature review. Manganese is a naturally occurring element that is found in the rock, soil, and water. It is ubiquitous in the environment and comprises about 0.1% of the Earth's crust. Crustal rock is a major source of manganese found in the atmosphere. Manganese rarely exists in its pure element state but instead combines with other elements in nearly 300 different minerals. Manganese is the first member of group 7 and period 4 of the periodic table. Manganese has the atomic number 25. Manganese is a pinkish gray chemically active element. It is a hard metal and is very brittle. It is hard to melt but easily oxidized. Manganese is reactive when pure, and as a powder, it will burn in oxygen. It reacts with water. It looks like iron and dissolved in dilute acid. Tools and materials. Category 1, drop pipette, beaker glass, measuring cup, funnel, test tube rack, measuring glass, spatula, glass stirrer, watch glass. Category 2, analytic balance, and foam hood. Materials general, 1. Aqueous and filter paper. Specific, potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid, manganese oxide, manganese sulfur, potassium hydroxide. Discussion. Manganese is a metal which is less corrosion resistant than chromium, as the oxide does not protect. This element can be made of oxide, manganese oxide, decomposite. Manganese ions are stable in alkaline. Manganese oxide was added potassium hydroxide and oxidizing with oxygen or which produce manganate. Configuration manganese electron. Biasing electron form S and then to 5 on parity 3d electron. Manganese having an oxidase number of plus 2 to the 7. Reactions are important in the manganese compound is an oxidation reduction reaction. Potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent that is important for chemical analysis acid in the acid solution, where in the compound is reduction. By asking the electron potential, it can be determined with here manganese compound 6 can be prepared by reaction manganese 7 and manganese 4 in acid solution. In the manufacture of manganese compounds 6 in an alkaline solution produced in the same color with the color before mixing in the dark purple. By asking the electron potential, it can be determined whether manganese compound 6 can be prepared by reaction manganese 7 in manganese 4 in alkaline. Reaction to produce manganese compound 6 is allowed in an alkaline solution. This is because the price of the electron potential in an alkaline solution is smaller than in an acid solution. The smaller the electron potential price, the greater the reaction may take place. By increasing the concentration of ore and will not increase by likelihood in the manufacture of manganese compound 6 because the manganese compound 6 can be made in the solution less acidic dish. By increasing the concentration and will increases the likelihood in the manufacture of manganese compound 6 because the manganese compound 6 can be made in alkaline solution. The reaction to form compounds of manganese 3 is more likely in an acid solution. This is because the price of the electron potential in acidic solution is smaller than in an alkaline solution. The smaller the electron potential price, the greater the reaction may take place. By increasing the concentration will increases the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of manganese 3 for compounds of manganese 3 can be prepared in an acid solution. This can be seen from the result of the experiment. By increasing the concentration of will not increases the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of manganese 3 for compounds of manganese 3 cannot be made in an alkaline solution. Conclusion: from the result of the lab it can be concluded of making manganese 6 marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. It showed a positive reaction from the formation of manganese 6. The experiment of making manganese 3 marked by the presence of clear color change to pink showed a positive reaction from the formation of manganese 3. The two formation reactions that occur are in a state of alkaline solution. Experiment of making manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds. It is known that the solution is stable in the manufacture of manganese 6 compounds and the solution is unstable in the manufacture of manganese 3 compounds. Thank you and wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.